Hey guys, what is going on? Hope you all are having a great day. Hey, today I got something really interesting to talk about, and I want you guys to really think about this because this is definitely going to blow your mind when you really put this into perspective, and especially if you're an executive or a massive owner of a large restoration company. I think this is really important for you to hear today. So I'm going to make a bold prediction. In the near future, let's just say 5 to 10 years, which might be long for somebody or short for some other people, but one of the major restoration brands is going to dissipate. It's going to weaken and maybe not even exist at all. And I can tell you right now, it is absolutely going to be the failure to adapt to the way consumers think and the way consumers behave. And you really have to think about that because 1 out of every 4 searches right now is being done by voice. So, somebody walks in their home and they're like, oh, I have water in my house. Who do I call? And whether it's Siri, Google Voice, Alexa, what is that option? And I can tell you right now, you think pay-per-click, Facebook ads, any of that shit is expensive? You ain't seen shit yet when they start charging to be the main option on voice. Because think about it, you don't have a screen. Some of the devices are coming out with screens, but it's all voice. It's telling you, hey, Siri, I need to buy paper towels. Alexa, send me paper towels. It's connected right to Amazon. If you think your billion-dollar brand, a multi-million-dollar brand, is immune to the shift of this technology, you are greatly underestimating. And I can tell you right now, all the major restoration brands from the corporate level down are not embracing Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as they could be. Some are starting to really make that jump, but you have to understand this stuff is going to evolve quicker and faster. And if you're not thinking about voice, which is already 25% of the searches going on, you are greatly underestimating the future and the stability of your business. We all know who the main brands are out there. I don't need to mention them by name, but look at brands like Toys R Us, Blockbuster. These were billion-dollar companies that fell. They crumbled. Sears, Burdines. You remember these names? These were like the pivotal foundation of when you went to the mall, when you went to buy clothes or you went to buy anything. These were the brands that you went to. Perfect example, a company like Blockbuster. Who ever thought Blockbuster would go out of business? I mean, they even looked at one point, the board of directors, of acquiring this little company called Netflix. And if you really don't think, like I said earlier, in a few posts earlier, that if you're not operating as a media company, this is how we consume information now. You're watching this video right now because you consume media through me or anybody else that you find in your news feed or your information feed. So just really want you guys to think about that. What brand is not going to be around? What brand needs to further embrace the culture that we live in? We're not talking about just running ads, or this isn't like whoever has the most money is going to win. To be honest with you, all the up-and-coming players have the best opportunity to dethrone one of these massive companies. I mean, we might see acquisitions, we might see mergers. We don't know what that's going to look like, but I can pretty much guarantee you one of the heavy-hitting brands is going to fall to a company that embraces the technology of the culture that we live in today. So think about that. You heard it here first. I can't wait to look back on this video, which is going to be out there for forever, or who knows, and say, man, why didn't we listen to this idiot who's making these predictions, and why are we not embracing it today? Not tomorrow. Why haven't we done it yesterday? But let's at least start today. So, hey, if you have any questions about this, the mindset of it, I don't care if you're a small independent, you could be the next big brand if you come up with the right culture and technology to reach potential clients. So feel free to hit me up anytime. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great day.